Now these are some of the local bugs, and I know many of you don't really like to deal with local bugs, but basically those are sand beetles, those are grasshoppers, and yeah, what in the world is that? We have let's see, I'm not sure what that is. That's a with open wings, it is easy to distinguish this species from the previous by the hind wing patterns. Well, interesting. I don't plan on encountering too many bugs. They haven't so far, just flies. It's Coach Bronner here in Portugal, walking along the beach where they've got this these signs that deal with the biodiversity of the area. These are beetles and grasshoppers right here along the ocean. Stay tuned.